Today I'm having breakfast, croissant, only croissant for the breakfast. Yeah, so I have taken in my cafe, in the cafe here in hostel. So this is the reception. I am leaving today. I am going to Southampton, Portsmouth Harbour, and Three Bridges. So Three Bridges are Crawley, where the place where I have stayed 7 months in the year 2013. So just I want to go there and visit again. So just I will see the schools attended by my kids, my flat. So yeah, so today I am starting early, so I should reach that Victoria station. The train is from Victoria. I should reach Victoria at 9:30, around 9:30, because before 9:30 I can't take the train. So my ticket is off-peak ticket or anytime off-peak. So only after 9:30 I have to take the ticket. It is 9:10 now, so I am leaving the hostel because I have to catch trains from London Victoria. I have to travel only by southern trains. So they start from London Victoria to Southampton Central. So I am just leaving now. So I take as usual Hammersmith and City Line or District Line, and I go to Victoria. I think direct stop. So I don't need to change. So then from Victoria I take the first train, like after 9:30. So by the time I go there, it will be like after 9:30. So it's fine. I can board any train after 9:30. Because after 9:30 in UK off-peak starts. So off-peak means it is not busy, and the tickets are, if the tickets are peak, they are expensive. Off-peak tickets are not expensive, but compared to our like Asia and India or Asian countries, they are expensive here. Anyhow, see, this is Aldgate East underground tube stop. So I am going to take train from here to go to Victoria. Here it is clearly displayed. I am at Aldgate East. I have to go to Victoria. So that means I have to take District Line. So maybe like 8-9 stops, and this is the left side. It goes to East Ham. So I have to take westbound platform. This is the District Line. I have to take this train to go to Victoria. So this is Aldgate East station. So you can see it is going to Wimbledon. So it's a District Line. So like 8-9 stops from here is the Victoria. So busy morning time, so that's why people are standing. So there are not enough seats here. This is very busy District Line because it is morning.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
This is Mansion House.
Down this from this train. This is District Line. So this is a Victoria stop. So from here I have to take a train to Southampton Central. See the rush, heavy rush, because it is morning time. So you can see National Line, Victoria Coast Station. So the coast station means all buses to entire country, like Scotland, Wales, Edinburgh, Glasgow, Aberdeen, Wales, Cardiff. So all buses and international buses to Paris, Amsterdam, Belgium, all leave here, Victoria Station, coast station. So National Line I have to take left. So these are the gates. I need to put my ticket, Oyster card. So this is you can see National Line trains to Gatwick. You want to go to Gatwick Airport, you have to take this route. So National Line. So information is clearly displayed, so there is no confusion. National Line, I have to just take National Line, that's it. National Line means it is the trains which goes entire country. So within London it is metro, a tube, it's called tube. So if it is out of London, it is called National Line. It is a simple nomenclature. So you can see I have to go out. I will take this route to go to National Line. So you can see South London, Sussex and Gatwick. Also Victoria Coast Station, taxis. So I have to take this route. So it is just a passage under the so no need to go outside. You can see platform tickets, platform 1 to 8, 9 to 10, 9 to 19. I have to see which platform I have to take to go to Southampton. It is clearly displayed. It will be clearly displayed. So these are the buses readily available from Victoria Station. So just we have to come out of the station and take these all city buses going to different places. So this is Victoria bus station. Beautiful Victoria Station. You can see the display boards. I always like these display boards. They are excellent. So they are easy to. These are the tickets we can take, but I have already taken advance ticket. So now I have to see Southampton. Southampton Central. So these are the now the time is 9:48. You can see I'm just almost like 20 minutes late. So I have to see the train or stop which says Southampton. So Ashford, Orpington. No, it is not going. Gravesend, it is not going. So I will just check and take a next train there. The gate service agent, gate assistant. So he told me that platform 15. So these are all different trains you can see going to southeast. So I have to go to platform 15. So that's why I'm not able to see the display here. So platform 15 I have to go to Southampton Central and I have to see the beautiful Victoria Station. So Victoria means the Queen before Elizabeth. I think is Elizabeth mother. So see the vibes, like see the ambience here, see the roof. It is excellent. So this is Victoria. So we have several restaurants, McDonald's, Burger King, and donuts, crispy. So all shops, NatWest Bank, so Boots, pharmacy. So there is a direct train to Gatwick, GX. It is called Gatwick Express. That is a bit expensive. So if we want experience, we can take that. But normally there are several trains going to Brighton, Three Bridges. All those trains go to Gatwick Airport. So we don't need a special ticket or train. So this is 9 to 12 platforms only. See the display, see the information. So this is excellent. So I like these stations. So these vibes. So you can see the display. So Gatwick Express, Portsmouth Harbour, West Croydon, Reigate, Horsham, Littlehampton, London Bridge. So all going to different places in southeast area. So I have to go to platform 15. Yeah, left side. I can see platform 15 that side. So it is in the corner. So I am going there. See the people, they are very disciplined. They behave very professionally. So there is no need to fear or scared anyone. So if you have any problem, we can always contact police. So they help us, they help visitors. So this is platform 15 to 19, you can see. So this is the place where I have to take a train to Southampton. Yeah, we can see here the display. So here I have stuck. The issue, the trains are all delayed because there is a signaling issue around Clapham Junction. So I have to wait here, or I can just take a refund of all my tickets and I can cancel my trip. So but I will see, I will wait for maybe 10-15 minutes. It is 10 o'clock now. So this issue is here from since like 15-20 minutes, half an hour. So I'm just hope that it will fix as I want to take refund of my tickets. But instead of that, there are trains from Waterloo to Southampton by Southwestern Railways. So this is a different train company. So they said these tickets are accepted at least today because of the issue. So I am going to Waterloo. So from there I take a train to Southampton Central. So now I have to take a tube from Victoria Station to Westminster, and from Westminster I have to take Jubilee line to go to Waterloo. So that is why I'm taking district line to. I have to take this district line going to Upminster. I have to get down at Westminster. From Westminster I have to take a Jubilee line and just one stop. I have to get down at Waterloo. So from Waterloo I can get Southwestern train. See the traffic because it is busy morning, so people are. This is a district line going to Upminster. I have to get down at Westminster.
The next station is Westminster. Change for the Jubilee line. Exit for Westminster Abbey, the Houses of Parliament and riverboat services from Westminster Pier.
Down at Westminster, I am taking now. I have to take Jubilee line to go to Waterloo. So just I have to go to platform 3. So from Waterloo I can take Southwestern trains to go to Southampton Central. So I no need to cancel my ticket, cancel my plan because I have never visited Southampton. So just I want to visit Southampton, Portsmouth and Three Bridges. So let us see. If they don't accept my ticket, I took for other trains. So I can just go to Liverpool Street where I have bought the tickets. So there I can get a refund. I can cancel and I get a refund. But I will try to go to Southampton. Jubilee line platform. I have to go to platform 3 and I have to take this Waterloo. I will just show you the map here. So Waterloo is next stop. Oh, I missed one train. So these are the trains going in westbound. So other platform. So this is a Jubilee line going to Stratford, but I have to get down at next stop Waterloo. So this is a Jubilee line. This is coming from East Area. This is Jubilee line. So I just record for a minute because this is excellent line. All exit out. They have a doors. So there is no open doors here. Whenever train comes, then only the doors will open. Then we have to enter. It is very safe compared to other tube lines in London. So during Olympics bid, so London government, like UK government, has shown this train line to organizers, and they have awarded Olympics to London in 2012. So that sort of influence it has got Jubilee line. Waterloo, national line from Waterloo. You can see the signal. So you can see the symbol. So I have to go straight. So and take national rail. So to go to Southampton. So I heard that these trains are a bit quicker, but I already wasted 1 hour. Beautiful display boards. So we have taken Eurostar train from here in the year 2005. So go to Paris. At that time trains used to run from here, but now they have moved to King's Cross St Pancras International Terminal. So now I have to check for Southampton train. So it is Southwestern train. Inquired there, so they said trains to go to Southampton is from platform 12 and 19. So this upper crust, my friend used to work here, not this one, but in Liverpool Street. So now I am going to 12, 19. See the gates. So these are all big stations in London. So where the trains will depart to all parts of UK, entire UK. Not here, but there are several stations like this. So I will ask